You are warmly welcome to our tutorial, and today we are going to see how we can migrate from our 2D drawing to 3D drawing. Okay, so how do we go about it? First and foremost, we are going to draw a sketch on 2D. Then we now right there migrate down to 3D. Then revolve the drawn object. Well, let's see how this is going to look like as we kick off. We don't have any dimension in mind, but we can choose to have, just as we are drawing, we get any dimension. So let's click now on this line. Okay. Let me put on my auto mode. Let's make it 10. Okay, and zoom. You zoom out very well. You can see what we are drawing. You zoom out very well. Okay, beautiful. So we move up a bit by 10. Let's take 10 again to your right. We move up by 20. We move to the right again, this time by 25. Up a little by 10. Then a little in. Okay, Control Z. Up. Okay, up a little by, let's use 5. We go again 10. Now we are going to tilt our drawing a little. Off your auto mode, then you can freely move the line. Okay, let's pick an angle of 135. 135 is too high. Like let's take it a little low, down to 155. The distance is 75. Okay, that's cool. Now we move up a bit by 20 to your left, by 5 downwards. Okay, let's click on auto mode now. Downward we move by 5 to your left, 5 down, 5 to your right, 5. Then you come a little downward here and stop at 15. Click on your auto mode again and make it free. Okay, we want to have our dimension here to be at an angle of 25 by 55. Okay, so we move downwards a bit. Do we do that? Okay, let's control. Okay, it's okay. We click, make it unit with 20. Alright, then finally we try to track this way and able to get this. Alright, we join the line together. Right click, say okay. So this is just what we've been able to draw. Let's add fillets. F-I-L-L-E-T. F-I-L-L-E-T, enter. Arrow for radius, arrow, enter. We want our radius to be 5. 5, enter. Okay, let's click on this and this. Okay, enter. We click on this and this. Beautiful, enter. This and this. Alright, okay, click again, this and this. Finally, this and this. Alright, we're able to have just a simple shape. Now we want to region it. Region is a tool that can help us to join this independent line, making it one. So For instance, if I click on this line, it's an individual. So how can we convert it into what we call the polyline? So you just type RIGION, region. You click enter, after which you are going to highlight this complete object or the drawing. You highlight everything. Don't miss out anything at all, please. Okay, if you are done, press enter. Okay, let us now see. You can see now all of the lines are highlighted, meaning that it has been region. At this point now, we want to have our point of axis. Where are we going to rotate it? Is it backward or forward? So let's get this line, move a little out, click, bring it down. Let's put on our auto mode, beautiful, and stop somewhere here. Right click, okay. With this, I think we are ready for our drawing. We want to migrate from 2D to 3D. You take your mouse, get close to this rotate cube here. You see a little icon of house, which is home. Click on it. When you click on it, this is what happens. You can see how it is. Okay. So what do? We can choose to rotate this if you wish. If you double click on it, now go to coordinates, click it and click on your right, choose right. On choosing right, now let's highlight this again, click on the rotate button, then you click at this point. You can see it is rotating, so we can decide to leave it at this point. That is what I desire. At this point in time, we want to revolve this object and it will give us a 3D object. How do we do it? If you look at this part, this very part of it now, solid, you now check under solid, you see revolve. There's the ribbon that carries 1, 2, 3, 4. Revolve is there, so you click on revolve. It will ask you to select the object you want to revolve. This, press enter to acknowledge. It will now ask you to select the axis or define your axis of rotation. We pick this, we pick this. Then you're going to have a pictorial view of what it's going to look like. You see, you can make it 90 degrees, 70, 50, but I want to make it 100. Okay, let me make it 270 degrees. So I say 270 degrees of rotation, and this is what I'm going to have. So for us to see our drawing in its fullest sense, we're going to go back to our home, or okay, at our home, look under the ribbon view. Here we see 2D wireframing. What we are now using to draw is 2D wireframing. If you click on the drop down button, you will be able to see different perspectives. We have the realistic. Okay, so you can see what you'll be able to draw. Press your hand, your key, usually the shift key, then press your mouse. You'll be able to rotate this, excuse me, okay, your mouse, the ruler on your mouse, press it, then let your hand be on the shift key. You can be able to see exactly what we've been able to produce. You can see how beautiful it is. You can rotate it at different angles in time. So this is how we've been able to draw a simple object or a part using the Revolve tool, migrating from 2D to 3D. I hope you did enjoy our tutorial for today, and we are going to get you more of the video tutorial on AutoCAD 2D and 3D. Always keep in touch with us as we give you more videos on Samsino Design Center. Thank you for watching.